The Society of Surgical Oncology 2022 meeting continues to be a very important venue for the exchange of ideas and for the discussion of what are our principles around providing cancer care to the greater community. Those who provide care are just as important as the people who we're providing care to, because that cultural competency is critical. And therefore, the symposium bringing so many people together with so many diverse ideas, as well as opportunities to go out and make changes, I think is critical. And so it provides an excellent venue for this type of discussion on diversity.